How's it going, everybody? This is my room at Hello Lodge number 1. I'm in room 402, and let's go inside and see what we got. As you can see, as soon as we enter, you can already see the bed. It is a small room with an umbrella right here, and shoes right there, and then they have slippers. And then as soon as you come in, you go to the left. We have towels, linens, hair dryer, extra toilet paper, and of course more slippers and storage. And then over here we have a table, an ironing board, some hangers, I believe a humidifier, and then an iron right there. Now as we come, we haven't moved yet, we're still at the door. Come in here, we have the toilet. Here's the instructions for the toilet. And then down here you can see with the buttons and everything. The sink on top, and then also I want to mention that this is a heated seat, so it is warm. That's always nice. And then when we come out here, again, more instructions on how things are ran. We open the door, and then we come to the left here, which is the bathroom. Now you can see that that is pretty tall. I mean, that's my hand on it. But when I'm up here, my head hits the shower head. I try to stand in there, that's pretty funny. You got some soaps down here, and a laundry basket. And then as you come out here, we got a small trash can here, one sink, and then it comes with this, which is your utensils. And yeah, it's just really nicely decorated. That's a gas burner right there. In here you've got a can opener and a couple other utensils and oven. That's up here you have some more storage, overhead fan, and then you have your fridge here, little freezer, comes with an ice cube tray, and then oh, look at that, there's some Monster in there. Some water came with the room. This is a fire extinguisher. It comes with paper towels, so it tells you how to use it and everything. Over here, let you know how to do the electric board panel, because there is a hot water heater. It kind of looks like your temperature gauge for your room temperature, but this actually runs the hot water in your room, so don't mess with that. Then we come over here, and you have your desk, which has a bunch of pamphlets on how to operate everything in English, because everything on the remote is in Japanese. There is Apple TV with the room. This is how you control the actual temperature in your room, hot, cold, and then it does everything in Celsius, so you got to kind of do the math on that. The list of rules for the room. This uses a VPN in the room, and then it has a router. So right over here is the VPN and router. Our phone in the room. This is very important. There's no 3-prong connections in the whole room, so if you want to use a 3-prong connection, they have it here. As you can see the ground cable here. Well, there's not a ground point here. You actually have to come back in the kitchen, and it's right here. And you flip that up, so you plug that in, and then you connect it to the ground down there. The bed is pretty stiff, not horrible, but the blankets are very warm. As you can see, that's my bag. There's not really anywhere to put the bag. I mean, I could put it in the closet, but it doesn't leave me any room for the closet. It comes with a, I think that's a 36-inch TV, if I remember the paperwork correctly. And it comes with an extra HDMI cord, so let's say you have Xbox or something. Again, the router password and everything's on the side of the router here. Then we come over here. There's one more plug in this room, and it's right over there. So there's the one up there, the one in the bathroom or kitchen. There's the one right there. And now we get to go outside and pull the handle up. Your air conditioning unit's right there. Come right outside. There's Hello 4. And then right down here you got 7 and I and the street. This is my view from here. And then that's my whole room right there. Also want to mention that these bags are for laundry service. There is a laundry service here. I believe it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, if I remember the information correctly. You drop it downstairs, and then you get it back like 2 days later. But there is also laundry on the 8th floor of this building. Still haven't checked into that. I'm not 100% on that one, but that's what it says. And then, yeah, you can see, oh, there's also another fire extinguisher. This is a throwable one, so you throw it at the fire, it breaks, and then, yeah, that's the fire suppression system here. Comes with the clock, small clock down there, calendar, and then, of course, again, the hallway to the door. And then you hang this sign here if you want your room cleaned and bed made. They have days that you can do that on. Here you go. The washer and dryer is on the 8th floor of this building. Free use of laundry. Please take card key with you. That's it for the room. So thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the tour of Hello Lodge #1's room 402 in Japan. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, and of course subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and I hope to get a couple more room tours, but I'm in Japan now, so we're gonna get out there. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.